Hi everybody, my name is Lisa. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how all this stuff fits into these two little organizers that I recently showed you on my last Temu unboxing. I am at my mom's condo for quite a few months, and most of this stuff I just grabbed from my house and just shoved it in a shopping bag. So let me show you how I fit everything into these organizers, and believe it or not, everything is going to fit. Okay, let's get started.
There must be something in the water that makes us turn a blind eye. I see innocence who suffer, and people cast it aside. Day to day there's burning injustice. To us it's just status quo. Oh, now that game is busted, 'cause deep inside we all know it's time for a change. Time to stop turning on each other, to try and look past different faiths and different colors. It's time. It's time for a change. Time to start caring about each other, to realize how it looks through their eyes. It's time for change. We point the finger at each other, so sure our way's the right way. Ain't it time to rise above it? Stand up to hate and be brave. It's time for a change. Time to stop turning on each other, to try and look past different faiths and different colors. It's time. It's time for a change. Time to start caring about each other, to realize how it looks through their eyes. It's time for change. The shooting and the bombing, the blatant fear-mongering, the disregard of poverty, win or lose mentality.
And there we go. I still have room in the drawers, some of these drawers, for other things, but for what I brought over, this will certainly work right now. Got all my pens, papers, stuff I can grab immediately, glue, scissors, ruler, tweezers, everything in one place. So A+ for these Temu organizers. They're really inexpensive. I'll leave the prices down below, and if you have any questions, just let me know, because there is a discount code I also have for 30% off your first order. I will leave that in the description box as well. All right, thanks for joining me today, guys. I will see you all in the next video. Take care. Bye.